Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my video for the first time, I am Chini Money. So in today's episode of cooking, we are going to be making alcoholic native jollof rice. Hey, this rice is so yummy, so mouth-watering. You can believe me by the looking at it alone. Forget my camera can be a bit tricky, but then this rice is so delicious. I'll be leaving all the ingredients I used in the description below, so go through it and learn. Let's start, guys. I started by boiling my rice, putting the rice. I washed it thoroughly because this is Nigerian local rice. If you're a Nigerian, you will know what I mean by Nigerian local rice. It comes with a lot of sand, a lot of dirt, so you have to wash them properly. If not, you will get to eat a lot of stone while eating it. So I washed them properly and I put it on fire to parboil. Yes, now the rice is all parboiled. I have to sieve it out, but then I need to stir it first to make sure that all of them are all parboiled before I then remove it from the fire. Now I've done removing it, I went to sieve it out, and now this is time to make the magic. Here is where the magic begins. I started by adding a little vegetable oil before adding my palm oil. If you are making a jollof rice without palm oil, then you have not started making a jollof. Now I went in with my onion. When you are making this type of native jollof, you have to be generous with your onion. You have to chop your onion to be visible. Yes, allow your onion to stir fry a longer period. Yes, I like allowing my onion to heat a little bit before adding any other ingredient. Allow it to fry for some time. You can just give it a little of your time to fry very well. Here I went in with my tomato paste. Yes, I have this tomato paste, but if you have a fresh one you can use. If you have any other one, but this is what I have available, so I went in with my sachet tomato, after which I had to remove every ingredient inside, everything. Do not allow anybody to oppress you. Anything you have, use what you have to cook what you want to eat. If you don't have tomatoes, use just oil you have and whatever. Just use what you have. Don't be under pressure to please anybody because you want to prepare a food that you will eat, or nobody will eat with you. So I am done putting the tomatoes. I have to stir it properly to mix together. You have to stir it for long, yes, to ensure that your tomatoes are all dried up. Yes, look at our food now. Is it not coming together already? So here I have a leftover chicken sauce that I made, so I had to add it together again. I just brought it out from the fridge. I have to use it to give the food a little another taste on its own. Yes, so guys, this food is so yummy. I can't even imagine that. This food is so yummy. So now I know many people will say, why will you use this thing that is looking like this? Why will you? This is my sauce, guys. This is vegetable sauce that I made, chicken sauce that I made previously that I had to store in the fridge. So now I am mixing the whole thing together to marry each other. Yes, this food is so delicious. I won't lie, it is so see the oil now, see the oil, see the mixing, see everything. So here I went in with my crayfish and my pepper. You have to be generous with this one as well, because any Nigerian native jollof you are cooking, you have to be generous with pepper. See pepper, you have to be generous. So in this cooking there is no fish, no meat, no protein at all, but then I'm using only crayfish for this. It is very yummy. So this is where the magic of this food is. You see this alcohol? This alcohol is the real deal. It is the real deal for me, guys. This is where the magic is. All this alcohol I'm putting is what makes this food what it is. Yes, I will not lie to you. This food is so heavenly. Try this method and thank me later. If you check in all my videos, you will see that this is what I literally cooks with. This is my secret ingredient on cooking food, and it really comes out so delicious. So I went in with my seasoning cubes. Yes, you can use as many as you want. You can use as many as you want. So I'm using 13 seasoning cubes for this cooking. It is so delicious. So you have to stir it together, add a little of water that can cook the rice. When you are adding your water, you have to be stirring it to know that the water is enough or it is not enough. So you don't go and put too much water in your food and it won't come out properly. So here I had to add a little of salt for taste. Alright, so when you're done putting in your salt, you have to stir it again to make sure that all the ingredients get to each other. Yes, add a little of water again if you will. So when you are done with all of this, you have to taste to know if you've actually done a good job. After then, you then cover, allow the food to boil a little. Then my sauce is boiling. I went in with the rice, the washed rice. You have to wash it properly to remove all sand, all stones and the dirt. So after putting in my rice, I had to stir the food properly. Yes, make the rice marry with the sauce, turn it together, mix it properly, very well. Are you seeing the magic, guys? Are you seeing the deliciousness of this food? If you taste it and you put every ingredient and you notice that you still need to put a little bit of some other thing, you can go ahead. Do yours the way you want to and wish to do it, guys. It will still come out so yummy, so delicious. I wish some of you can taste this. So I still went in with some alcohol. Yes, as you can see, I still go in with a little bit of alcohol to give this food all the ingredient, all the rishi it deserves. So I had to taste the food to know if it has already been good. Then added a little of water that can get the food done so quickly and so soft. So guys, I covered the food to cook. Then after which I checked and my food was boiling. The aroma was everywhere. The aroma was heavenly in the house. Here the food is almost and already getting done. Yes, a little of water is still inside. Then I checked around to ensure that the food is not burning. So when that's done, I need to stir a little bit to ensure that we are doing a good job in the kitchen. So I went in with my onion. Yes, another magic is happening. Yes, I like eating half done onions. Yes, that's why you see that I'm adding another onion to the food. Then here our food is all ready. Get your plate, bring your plates, guys, let's eat. This is so delicious. Which other word should I use apart from being delicious? This food is mouth watering. Bring your plates, guys. Are you seeing the onion? Are you seeing the magic? Are you seeing everything, guys? So the protein I used on this food was actually a fried egg. Yes, that is what I used. Thank you.